We're going to Grenada.
I'm excited with a force. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we not rise and boast.
Alright, so it's officially day 1 in Jamaica. I mean, not Jamaica, what I'm talking about, in Grenada. And just look at this. So beautiful. It tastes good. For real?
Okay. Okay, give me this. Because this can't cut no damn mango. I don't know what you call it. You do what you ain't cutting mango.
It's going in the same place.
But you're not cutting it.
Alright, go ahead then.
You want the bottom side?
It don't matter. It tastes like, it's sweet, but it tastes like herby. Like,
What's herb?
I can't explain it.
That is herbs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. It's the green. It was just the green of it.
Yeah.
This of it.
Yeah.
They got a sauce upstairs too.
Oh,
That's soursop.
a sour sop? Mm-hmm. You guys told me in the garden.
Yeah, we're gonna go there now.
It's like, it's less sweet.
Because it don't taste the same.
Oh my God.
It's not sweet, but it's so fresh.
Yeah. This is cashew. Ooh, man.
You see
Cashew with some coconut growing.
Oh, sprouted coconut.
Come to the bottom of it. It's like that's like the flower.
Uh-huh.
And once that comes out first, and then it grows long. And as it grows long, then the bananas grow from it. When we was growing up, we didn't call this the garden. We called this the cocoa. So whenever he was in what America called woods, we refer to it as the cocoa because guess why? Why do you call it the cocoa?
Coconut trees everywhere.
Almost. It was also for the cocoa plant.
Ah.
Because most of these, when they're, the woods, it's cocoa plants.
Right, I want to show them what soursop look like. Soursop.
Yeah.
It's a big old fruit with needles all over it, and that's what it look like when I cut it.
You want a piece?
Yeah, yeah.
Why you only put 2 pieces?
Oh, I don't know if I say you know about it, so I give them to test.
But the daddy say you have something.
Yeah, yeah. You want some more? You want some?
This is a fruit.
Yeah, you know it's all the rage in America now. The sour sop. SOURSOP.
Okay. No, taste it.
That's all the
Why do
rage.
you want me to say something?
Oh, girl, yeah, it's very tangy. It's delicious.
You taste it.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I can't even describe what it tastes like.
Welcome to my world. How about?
Yeah. I know Grenada more than that.
No, you're not gonna die first. And then
I don't like it. You don't like it.
Plus, and you're still snapping. Yeah, wow. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Mommy tested?
Yeah, I didn't like it.
You
She didn't like it.
No. A lot of people, that's why I say I would not make the punch until somebody eat it. So when you, I know we have fresh fruit.
the sauce. Okay, so yeah, this one I feel has a very particular taste, and you have to get used to the flavor because again, there's nothing you can describe it. I can't tell you there's this in America that is close to it.
How big do they get?
They can become. I've seen some sauce that look like it's jackfruit.
I ain't nobody
This
got my
big.
glasses. You said you brought my glasses.
I give it. It's not on the
Right
tape.
here, right here.
I'm gonna say.
What's that part? I just ate.
Mm-hmm.
It's creamy.
All right, yeah, but
I like that part.
the texture, I know, like
Keep my cool, but tonight I'm wanting. I'm a bee in a dangerous mood. Can you
This salad is good.
Oh yeah, Marcy, that's cute. Look, look, look.
So what is the conch?
Shell. You know what you
This?
shell? You know the animals inside the shell?
Yeah. So it's I'm saying what it is on this?
Right here.
This?
Yeah. And that's the shell. And that's your conch? That's your conch? Oh, this might be your conch right here. I didn't try it. What is this? Oh, this might be your nutty. It's right here. This is your octopus.
Yeah. And this is the
So
conch.
this is your conch. And we don't call it conch. We say conch.
Conch.
It's a conch shell. And it's very chewy.
I don't get chewy. Thank you.
Oh my god. Right.
It's good.
Right. Good.
It's so coconutty. The lobster is very buttery.
How you like it?
It's chewy. It's like chewing gum. Can I have it?
Is it good hot sauce? Is it pepper sauce?
It's like fruity. It's like fig, but it's spicy.
Probably a tapping sauce. Is it brown?
Alright, so it is like I haven't really been talking in this vlog, but it is 9:48 and I'm having breakfast. I got me this. I don't know what it is, but it tastes really good. I need to open it though. There we go. Very organic. People very nice. Food amazing. Last night at the restaurant, I don't know if I have a clip of that, but I had basically like a seafood bowl. It had like octopus. It had cronk. Is it cronk? Cronk? I'm not sure what it is. It's like those real big pretty shells that be in the ocean. They have meat inside them. I had that with shrimp. I had a lobster tail. That was really delicious.
This is the nutmeg tree,
Oh, this is nutmeg.
right? You see the nutmeg?
right there.
Right. So you see the line of it, yeah? So when you're ready for harvesting, it open for itself.
Okay, open
Pop
by
open for
itself.
itself.
Okay.
So like this one. Okay?
You see the mace?
Right. So
Oh, so pretty.
right. So this is three part. Three part. We don't throw no part. We use every part. This first part is this. Where the nutmeg syrup for your pancake.
Okay.
Ice cream on them.
It's delicious.
And then we have the nutmeg jam and the nutmeg jelly
Okay.
from this.
From that part right there.
Just this part alone. Right? So just put your finger and just have a taste. You know? Just a little taste.
bought it. I have it in my house.
Oh yeah, that there.
We bought it. We bought the nutmeg.
Toast and everything,
It's
right?
good.
Okay.
So good.
Another part in the nutmeg, where is the most expensive part, is this red part around here. We call the mace.
The mace.
Okay? The reason why it's so expensive, when we export it, we use it here for cooking, seasoning, soups and everything. You can have it and smell it. Right? When we export it to your country, or your big country,
Smell it.
right?
My God.
All you use it to make nail polish.
Nail what?
Yeah. Nail polish. What is that?
Smell it.
The mace.
Yeah.
Smell good.
Right? Then all you use it as a preservative for like your luncheon meat, your hot
You
dog,
eat
and
it?
corned beef.
It tastes good.
Medicine too. Then you know the spray the police have, they call the mace spray or the pepper
Yes.
spray. That's together with it. Okay. All right. Chocolate now. Okay. Any chocolate you eat, whether it start from Hershey, go back, it start from here. You don't matter what
is that
chocolate.
again?
Cocoa.
Cocoa.
Right? So all the Hershey chocolate you eat, it start from here. Right now it's ready for harvesting. So what they do now? Farmers cut it, they pick it from the tree, then they cut it like that.
Woo!
Okay?
I pick up a little bit.
There you go.
Right? So the seed, we take off the seeds, we put it in a box of ferment for 9 days. You will lose this white color. The juice from this, you can take it and make vinegar. Right? So when it ferments for the 9 days, then you lose this white color and it will become like this, wetty and slabby, smelling bad. Okay? Then we take it from the fermenting box from 9 days, we put it in the sun for 7 days, and then you go. But we export it to the bigger country like this. But we have to polish it, right? To get it smooth and nice. Let's export it. But here, when we do a finishing product, we use this beans, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, with a nutmeg. We put it together, right? We take the beans, the same beans are there, and we put it in the oven and we bake it. So when we bake it, we take off this light skin from it. Alright, so the light skin comes from this one. So that's raw dark chocolate. If you buy that, it's very bitter. No chemical, nothing in this. So when we use this now, together with thing, we
Just bite it.
you go bitter, eh?
Want to bite?
So you put it, we bake it, and then we put it in a mill and we grind it, and then it gets soft, and then we roll it in ball, and we put the ball in the sun, and it gets dry. So this here, right?
Make a little tea.
Put your hand on my great some. You can taste, you can have a smell.
You know, Barcelona.
So ice cream, chocolate cake, anything.
Cocoa tea.
Cocoa tea. But cocoa tea now. Let me give it a thing. 3 cups of water, you use 1 ball. You put that ball in the 3 cups of water, you boil for 5 minutes, then this diesel we serve, and then you mix milk and sugar to your taste and you strain, and that's when you have your hot chocolate. Okay?
You've tasted my hot cocoa before.
Right. So with the nutmeg now, I didn't finish with the nutmeg. So your nutmeg, you call them pina colada, rum punch, ice cream, and all these things, right?
Yum, yum, yum.
Okay. Pumpkin pie and all these different things. Rum punch. Because you're supposed to have rum punch, we will be drinking some rum punch before we go.
Some of y'all is smell it in the buns you cook. Remember the buns we ate?
Okay.
Maybe the
Right.
taste?
Yeah.
It was in the buns.
You can taste it too.
I told you it was nutmeg.
So,
Yum, 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 yum.
but besides this nutmeg, what's some? That's where we create, that's where we do the medicine. If I joke it like this, right? When I take off this, you're going to see it looking wet. That's the oil we extract from it to make medicine. Arthritis, rheumatism,
That's what they
asthma,
do.
allergy, insect bite, stuffy nose, all aches and pain, wherever you have it. So we had the spray, we had the oil, and we had the cream.
Okay.
The oil, when you have problem with breathing and this thing, 3 cups of warm water. You drop 2 drops of the oil. You take a towel. You put over your head, and you.
Say less.
So that's the reason why we didn't have no problem with no COVID down here. The COVID had to respect us down here because they couldn't tie us up. Ginger, look at right here. Ginger. Turmeric, look at right here.
Are you getting pictures of the vote?
If you root out, if you root out, you're getting the turmeric. If you root out, you're getting ginger. Clove.
Yep.
When you're cooking, you're baking and then clove. Yeah, hold this. Then, this, when you go by the dentist, when you go by the dentist, that was the thing. Cinnamon thing. So, look at it right here. Look at the clove tree here.
Oh, wow. That's no, I have not
That's
ever
the clove
seen.
tree?
That's a clove tree with all the clove on it.
Ooh, look at that.
That I do not remember ever seeing. Oh, wow. And look, you're walking on Nutmeg shell.
I know. I thought.
Alright, so that's the clove right here. Lemongrass.
Oh, I love me some lemongrass.
Oh my God, look, it's smelling me too.
That's
Look at the mint.
we make tea this.
Oh my God.
Look at this smell that.
We make tea this one.
Look at this. It's the mint.
This one here.
Oh, my God. The
These
lemon
two
mint.
together.
The lemon mint. The lemon mint right now is.
We cook it, we sit it,
I could just put this on my nose.
So,
It's a liquid Viagra.
yeah, no, it's liquid Viagra.
Well, go ahead, give me
The
some.
guys
We
call it
good.
under the counter, but it's liquid Viagra.
Whoa.
The men drink it and the ladies run from it sometimes when they see the men drink it. Let's try that. So,
Robert, you would have quit this out.
but this one, you have to take it in water.
Take some
Come, no,
water.
everybody can have
We
it.
can have some?
Yeah.
Oh. Robert, I'll be jumping your bones in the car.
You have to take it in water, eh?
Marcy's like, please, no.
Take with water.
It's like, I love you, Mom, Grandma. I mean, God, but you can't do that.
I got her some water. I want to trust you with that.
So what you do, for you not to get the real strongness from it, when you head it back, keep it in your mouth. And when I pour the water, then you gargle the water and the rum together and you swallow.
Okay.
I'll drink this first.
Hold it. Hold it in your mouth. Let's drink the water.
Okay.
Wait, I'm scared.
Oh, don't be scared.
But to get a center there, might be just give us some rum punch to so it's rum punch.
That was good. The trip has officially begun.
So then you get it out.
I want some more bricks to go.
So
I need some water to go.
you see this?
I got you.
Got her.
She's brave.
It's a river. She's not diving.
Hey. Oh, it's cold?
He said it was cold.
You better drop. I tell you, it drops. She ain't know what it meant when I said what it meant. I said it drops. Yes. I didn't know that. You didn't hear me say it drops? Oh, okay. And there are rocks over there. Yeah, go throw some rocks. Got it? Woo! Wait,
drop off kind of scary.
If I was with you, you wouldn't be as scared. It's like you're by yourself. That's why.
Cause when I was measured, I was like, I put when I first. So I was
Okay, so next year, one of the beach days could be a river day.
I
And we'll put
swam
our hair out
out.
here at the river.
Oh, I can see the drop off now.
Yeah,
I
right?
swam out trying to stand up. Hey, so I just got out of the waterfall. That was so fun. The water was so cold, and it has like a little drop off in it, which was scary as hell because I didn't know that. So when I went to go stand up, I couldn't. But that was fun. They have waterfalls in Maryland, but not like that. You know, not where it's like deep, where you can actually jump off the waterfall, and you know, it's fish in the water too. So, oh, look at the monkey!
You grab the phone in it.
Really?
Yeah, you take the phone.
Oh shucks. What kind of monkey is it?
Monarch monkey, come from South Africa.
Well, we have a lot of them here now, right?
You don't have a companion, like another monkey?
Yeah, well, no, but the other monkeys, they are all in the trees.
Oh, he's just in a cage.
Yeah, and then if you always want to come out when them others, they are wrong.
Oh, okay.
So if you come out, that's it.
Oh. Yeah. Ooh.
Remember, we had a chocolate factory. We use lots of cocoa. Are you selling on cocoa shells or nutmeg shells? This is the bougainvillea, which is Grenada national flag. There are actually 3 different types of cocoa on the island. We have the green to the yellow, which is called the Forestario. Then we have the purple to the red, which is the Trinitario. This right here is called seafood orange. Some people call it Ospo.
Information in the wall here that says we have the first research sickle cell case in the whole world buried in this cemetery.
I'd like to teach you, but I need some lessons. I need to get better. I try to live, but I can't.
Canadian ice cream.
I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
Oh, he's getting more here fresh, ripening.
You feel on my body.
Yes. It's someone's plantation.
Your dress. Oh shit. Plantation sound like that.
Said I made it mess up my mind, and I made it make you free up your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need.
Now what you doing up there? What you doing up there? You was doing what?
Exercise for today.
Oh, you did your exercise? Oh, okay.
See, I'm getting the accent down.
Better than
When you understanding it.
Marcy is determined to get a coconut.
I'll pick one myself.
Green coconut
She
here.
actually want to pick it from the tree.
Oh yeah, we have to get somebody to. Bradley was here yesterday. You should
I'm gonna go
ask
cut
him.
it. So when this thing drops, you don't
Get hit.
you don't get slashed, okay?
Okay.
No, because I'm gonna get my own. I'm gonna get my own. All right, somebody come up here. Just stand back this way.
Oh my, be careful, it's slippery.
Woo! Gotta go catch it for rolls on the hill. Let me get one more. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the bag.
Yeah.
Smart child, smart child.
You should go over there because it's going to fall over there.
I want to get this one. See how it's all packed? So there's a knife underneath, but it's the hard part. Try to get it up higher. Try to get it down.
She got it?
Try this one. Fix it around the hook. Ready? Let's go. Let's go up this one. Break it in, let's go higher. Let's go in. There we go. Ready? Let's go in. There you go. Yank it. Ah. Huh? Go. Go. Go.
Yay, Moss.
Alright, so I finally got my first coconut. Now I need to figure out where the orange trees are so I could get some oranges. I'm not sure where they are. I think they're down over here maybe. Oh, they're over here. Okay, perfect. I gotta bend down because I don't want none of these leaves touching my hair. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's right over here. Oh, this is a hike. Are these the oranges? I could have sworn there was more up. Kind of lost. Oh no, they were more down here. They were more down, I think. Oh no, they're right here. They're here. Ants.
35, 60 is what
35. Oh.
Bro, you see coming, Rusty? Okay, I ain't never cut a coconut, you know, y'all. See you going outside?
No, we're by the fire.
Unless Ian go past Ian, say customer get today.
She get a picture.
Got some cleaning up to do after this.
I'm about to say, there's nothing in there, but then it came pouring out.
It's coming up?
Yeah.
Okay, got some green ones too. What are green ones? These are big ones.
Look good.
I don't mind. You got another coconut. Let's go.
Go get it.
What do you have?
Look at that meat.
That's a lot.
That's some good coconut meat right there. We eat this with some brown sugar. So you sprinkle brown sugar on the coconut and you eat it.
Coconut is good. The meat is good.
You say don't cut it up here. It's a lot of flesh. Here it's easy to get to the nut.
Mmm. This one got a lot of juice in it.
That's what you call a girly tomboy.
Another freaking ant. I'm sweating.
Yum.
Now put your mouth around it.
Ready, Moss?
Ready, set, go.
Mouth around it, go.
And that one, this thing in there.
It's kind of like,
Swallow. There you go.
I'm feeling this all over myself, but it's kind of like fizzy a little bit.
It's like a natural fermentation.
Yeah.
The fun of drinking it is drinking it on the shell instead of pouring
Thank
it out.
you.
Ooh, jeez.
Are you want some?
These oranges like lime.
Yeah, but when they're satisfied and you have extra, then I'll have one. I could get anytime, so let them have fun drinking. Debbie, don't take picture. You take pictures of you drinking from the cup.
Yep.
I got pictures, video. Oh, I become a GoPro. This down.
I know you are. I'm sure our sister not watching you. I can't believe you're doing it.
I got greedy to be born.
Sit in the store and somebody told me, ask across there, the lady in the house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Some people just go. One day we come from up this street and we see a man with his truck. He just got a whole bunch of people in his truck. I'm just going to stop him and tell him.
I put me a fence up. You
Yeah, we're
get
going
my
to put a
baby.
fence over it. You're going to put a fence.
You pay me for my baby. I'll pay y'all. Y'all have 30 minutes. No, y'all have 10
You
minutes.
want a night?
Per dollar. Y'all get to come in here and take what you want in 10 minutes.
No, I'm not
10
right
minutes,
here.
you out.
Go. I'll take my baby.
Marcy is really turning into a Caribbean girl.
That's what I was just about to say.
Marcy got her bun, her cheese, her coconut.
And she taking out coconut with her finger.
Y'all ready to go see the spice real quick?
I'm hungry.
Tell them to tell me how to cook.
Yeah. That's what they eat.
Feed us, you know. We don't want to bring button on this.
Yeah, that's what they're eating every morning. They eat it.
What?
The hot buns they eat and the spice buns.
Oh, yeah.
You can taste the nutmeg in it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show y'all my breakfast that I've been eating almost every morning. I've been eating the cheese and bread every morning. But today I'm eating coconut that we picked from off the tree. Oranges that I picked from off the tree. I got my cheese, my coconut, my bread, my Arizona, my brown sugar.
Yeah. Lots of smell, babies. I think I'm going for crab beef stew.
Oh, it's not nothing. There might be ants on that, Mom.
You smell it? You smell it?
You ain't got it. See how it follows. Rip it into.
I don't smell anything.
Rip the leaf into. Yeah, rip it.
Ah, woo. Yeah, I smell it now. I'm taking some of that cinnamon. Alright.
This baby leaf smells so good.
This smells good, right? Oh, you could get your own cinnamon in there. You don't have to share your mama.
Where?
This one, Mama have a table right there. That's all. So you can get something.
Okay.
I wish somebody comes so we can get the cashew nuts.
And this is
the spice.
the spice.
Cinnamon leaf. You get it? Tear a little bit.
Tear it.
Oh. It smells so good.
Yeah.
Which can you do with this? Can you make tea with this too?
I drop in the nighttime when I went to bed, if I feel tired, I just drop 2 leaves and I'll say 1 leaf for me, 1 leaf for us.
So look at this. Look, the cinnamon has the 3 veins.
Barely have 1. So, I don't know if this goes for all Grenadians, but what my godmother does, when she was little, or when she lived here, I guess, I don't know. She takes the coconut meat, and she dips it in brown sugar. It tastes so good. Has a little bit more sweetness and a little bit more crunch. Like, literally, this is like a bomb as breakfast. Like, it's not hot. I literally picked it off the trees myself. I got the bun from the gas station. I got the cheese from the gas station. I know that sounds crazy, getting bread and cheese from the gas station. But, and I got the coconut. Yep, this fly keep fucking with me. The hardest thing about this is getting the meat out of the thing though. Ow, I cut myself. So today we're going to the beach. I'm probably going to go around like 12 o'clock. And we're going to stay there basically all day. Because we're going to go and watch the Super Bowl at the beach also. It's fly. I want my food so bad. So after this, I'm going to get ready, get dressed. And the goal is to take a cute picture at the beach and get a nice tan at the beach. That's the goal. I'm almost, I got more cheese. Yeah. I see him right here. No. I got my brown sugar.
Huh?
My brown sugar.
Ma'am.
What?
I thought you want to see him climb the coconut tree and videotape
I'll climb it.
I just wanted Daddy to do it.
Oh, you wanted him to do it?
Yes, because this man could make his money and he could clean up the daggone coconuts.
I'll tell Daddy that, but
So if he can make money from it, and it's going to go to waste anyways, he doesn't make the money from it. And then you off to the partnership.
oh my God, let the baby move.
That knife ain't going nowhere close to that baby. That's the cutlass I want. You see his cutlass? That's what I want.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
Until I find a way, I will say the only words I know that you understand. That's Jake. Is this love? 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 Is this love that I